Okay, probability with permutations with repetition. So this is when we have a number of objects and the order is important, but the objects could be repeated a number of times. So we're going to use the formula for n factorial divided by the first one, the number of times, the second object, the third object, and this is going to be etc. Okay, so up until r n times. So we have a question. So letters are put into a bag. So we have these letters that have been put into a bag, and we're going to pull them out at random. So we want to pull them out, and we want to know what the probability of pulling these out of the bag of being able to write and spell Ras Al Khaimah. So in this order, so it spells Ras Al Khaimah. So the first thing we need to do is check how many letters we have altogether. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have n is going to be 12. So this is the number. So it's going to be 12 factorial. And now we need to find how many times each letter repeats. So S, so we write it by here. So S we have 1. So A, 1, 2, 3, 4. So A is 4. So we have 1R. And we have 2H. Oops, wrong one. And we have 1K, 1L, 1I, and 1M. So we said H is 2, and then an I, a K, and an M. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What am I missing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. K, I, and L. So we have 1L. So what we need to do is the number of times. So we're going to be multiplying. So we have an A 4 times and a H 2 times. So we want 4 factorial times 2 factorial times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. So we don't need to write the ones. So we're going to write 4 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. So if we work this out, 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. Just going to move this out of the way. Okay. So times 5 times 4 factorial. And 4 factorial times 2 times 1. Now the 4s will cancel. And then 2 will divide into 12 6 times. So we need to multiply this together. So we will have 9979200. So permutations. So the probability of it spelling Ras Al Khaimah will be 1 of 99 and 79200. So that's 9,979,200. So, another example. So, we have 3 girls in the class. So we have Mara, we have Rowan, and we have Sarah. So they want to know what the probability, if they put the letters of their name into a bag, if they pull it out and it will spell in this order of Mara, Rowan, and Sarah. So the first thing we need to do is to find out what n factorial will be. And then we'll have R1 factorial, R2 factorial, R3 factorial, etc. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So possible 14. So this is going to be 14 factorial. And then we need to count the number of letters. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 A's. So A is 6. So we have R and R and R. So we have 3 R's. R equals 3. And then we can see that we have M is 1, H is 1, W is 1, N is 1, and S is 1. So 6 and 3. So this is going to be 6 factorial times 3 factorial. Okay, so if we put this into our calculator, we're going to have 201,80160 permutations. So the probability of our words coming out and spelling Mara, Rowan, and Sarah, this is going to be 1 over 201,80160. Okay, so a driving example. What is the probability that a license plate using the letters A, E, K, R, U and the numbers 16889 will be RAC for RAC, UAE 19886. So we're going to use n factorial over R1, R2, R3. So our possible combination, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 factorial. And then if we have a look at what repeats, we have 8, we have 2 of them. So that's going to be 2 factorial. And we have an A, which is going to be 2 of them. So the rest are all times 1. So times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 to the power 7 factorial, which is just 1. So if we work this out, so there's 9,979,200 possible combinations. So the probability will be 9,979,200.